How to get Instagram profile picture that flips between picture and avatar. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can get Instagram profile picture that flips between your profile as well as the avatar. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you open Instagram and then you come to the profile icon, maybe you want to get a profile picture that flips between your avatar as well as also your profile picture. It's very simple. Just tap the edit profile option here. When you tap on edit profile, tap on edit picture or avatar, tap on add to profile picture because you'll find your avatar. Tap on add to profile picture. Once you do that, make sure to tap the check option here, and whenever you do this, whenever someone visits your Instagram profile, they will be able to flip between your profile picture as also your avatar. This way you'll be able to get Instagram profile photo that flips between your picture and avatar. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.